Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad we will understand the ellipse command, this one. There center, axis and elliptical. These are the three options under the ellipse command. This is our 10th exercise. First we understand the center ellipse, this one. First I am clicking this one, this, and specify the center point of the ellipse first. Okay, now you give the radius of the this axis, and I suppose I give the radius 300. Enter. Now give the radius of second axis. This is the vertical axis. Suppose I give 200. This. Enter. So this is the ellipse. If you measure the dimension, this one, linear, this and this is 300. This is one axis is this axis, this is the major axis, and one is the vertical axis, this is the minor axis. You might have studied in the mathematics, there are the two axes in the ellipse, one is the horizontal and one is the vertical axis. So this is the actually radius of the ellipse. So total dimension will be this is 600. And this and this will the radius of the vertical axis. Okay, in this way you can draw this is the center ellipse. Now I take another example of center ellipse. First change this one, default 0. Center point. First, you have to give the center point of the ellipse, this one, anywhere. You want to go in the direction. You can, we will also make it at the angle. So I am this polar tracking on, suppose I am giving dimension 400. This is the radius of one axis. Enter. Now, radius of vertical axis, suppose I give 200, this one. Enter. This is, and you will measure here this one, linear, this and this is 400. Total axis length will be 800 in this way, and this and this is 200. So vertical, there are two axes, one is horizontal axis, this is the 400 is the actually parameter is 400, that is the radius of the ellipse. Total dia of the this axis will be 800. Okay, if you measure this one, this is totally the 800 dia. In this way you can define this one. Suppose you measure this, enter. This axis is known as the major axis, horizontal axis. If I draw this one, this is vertical axis is known as the minor axis. Okay, this one. Pan it. For pan, you press the middle roller button and drag this way. This middle mouse button and press, hold and drag it. And you can pan the drawing here. Okay, now we see the change default, and now I am seeing axis end. In this option, you will have to give 2 points of one axis. Okay, in first option you have to give the center point, but in this option you will have to give the one end of the axis and second end of the axis. I select this option. This is the one end of the axis and this is the second end of the axis. Suppose this is 600 total 600. Enter. Now radius of the second axis, suppose I give 200. Enter. In this, Suppose you will measure the dimension. This is the dia of the axis. This is 600. Okay, and this one, this is the radius of the this one. Total distance will be 400. This is the axis end option. Okay, this one. Now suppose you want center. This is the default. Suppose first option, center point. Now if you want to make the ellipse at an angle, so first you have to give the radius of the one end of the axis. Suppose I give radius 300. Now press tab key for the angle. Press tab key, angle suppose 45. Enter. Now the second endpoint radius, second axis radius, suppose 500. Enter. This. If you measure the dimension, align this. This is this one, and align this point. This is 1000. This is 1000, and this is the 300, and total dia will be 600. Okay, angle, suppose this. Enter. Line, draw horizontal line. Enter. If you measure the angle, -45 degrees. So in this way you can draw the ellipse at an angle, this way. Okay. Now third is the, you can also give the EL shortcut for the ellipse command is EL. Okay, suppose third option, elliptical arc. First change the layer 0. Elliptical arc. Here are the two options. Both options you can use. If you directly click, then you will come in the axis end mode. Or if you give center, you click here, center. You can also give the shortcut C, center for C, in the blue letter, first letter C. You can give the shortcut. I am clicking this one, center, and suppose I give the 400. This is the radius of 400. Enter, and this is the radius of second axis. Suppose I give 200. Enter. Now angle from here is 0. This is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270, and this is the 360 degree. Suppose now you will see the command line system is asking specify start angle. Suppose I give the start angle here. Suppose this is the 70 degree start angle, this one. Start angle, enter. Now you can give this angle. This angle will be this one, 270 degrees. Suppose I give the 270, enter. Now this is the arc. One more example we see. When you use any command, it will come on the top. You will see, because elliptical arc and at the serial number is 3. But when you use any command, you will come on the top. You will see here. This is the elliptical arc. Okay, then there is no need to go inside. You click here, center ellipse. Suppose this you can use both option, axis end option and center. Suppose I use this option. You can directly go in the axis end option. If you want to select this option, you can click here, select option, center, this one, This is the radius of one axis. Suppose this is radius is 400. Enter. And radius of second axis, suppose this is 200. Enter. Now here 0 degree, 90 degree, and this is 180 degree, and this is 270, and this is 360 degree. Suppose you give angle, suppose first start angle, you see that system is asking specify start angle. Okay, suppose I give 120, start angle I am taking 120 degree. Enter. Now system asking end angle. Suppose end angle I am asking, suppose 330. 330. Enter. Now in this way you can make the arc here. Okay, in this way you can. Again I take this example. Axis and one end of axis, first specify the one end of the axis, this one, and this is the second end of the axis. Suppose I give 800. Enter. Now the radius of the vertical axis. Suppose I take 300. Enter. This one. If you measure this dimension, this is hidden, linear, this one 800, and vertical, this 600. In this way, actually they are the two. One is the center point axis and axis and option, and this is the elliptical arc. This one. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.